Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you get one at a low cost. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Here we go. There we go. We got it. And we have here J Life Gourmet Food Coloring Liquid. FDA, MSDS, gluten-free, sugar-free. Alright. We'll do a full demo on this. We'll be in the kitchen in a second. So grab some popcorn, relax, and we'll see what these look like. Cake, fondue, biscuit, macaron, dessert. Oh boy. Alright, this is what they look like out of the box. Got a stack right there. We got little guys. We got the green for like Christmas or stuff like that. Make some cookies. And we have incense purple. So I might do one of each. Sample red. Show you what they look like. Maybe some flapjacks or pancakes. Grass green. Oh yeah. Little guy in there. Get some use out of these. Pink. Alright. We have here sky blue. Ooh. So yeah, like I said, we'll definitely go in the kitchen. Brown. And use a skillet. Great purple. Oh yeah. Getting down to the end. Black. So you can make those black hamburger buns for Halloween. Sunset yellow. This might be a cool one. Make some brownies. Navy blue. So definitely check these guys out, YouTubers. And just click the link down below. Lemon yellow. Okay, so that's emptied. We got them all out of the box. And we'll be in the kitchen next part. See you soon. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back in the kitchen. We got the pancake with Aunt Jemima. Oh yeah. We're definitely getting ready. So like I said, all you gotta do is click the link down below, add it to your shopping cart, get this fast shipped to you. And you can start making some slime pancakes. We got St. Patty's Day coming. Get some green ones going. Here we go. Make a little guy first. And then we'll use purple. Let that heat up for a second. Couple drops here and there. There you go. And when that's, there you go, you can hear it. Give it a few minutes for the bottom to settle good. There we go. Try to do this quick for you guys. Hopefully it's not too long. But, oh geez, that's not good. Oh man. That is not what I thought was going to happen. There we go, a couple drops there and there. And we're going to flip that side. Should be good to go. Nope, not yet. Dang. Alright, slow down a little bit. Clean up my mess. Make sure you always clean up. So we got a first batch going. Make a couple more of these guys. A little messy today. There we go. That one. Now this is the black one. Kind of looks like a purple. And this is going to be sunset yellow. There we go. So they should be good to flip. Oh yeah. A little messy. Give that a second to cool down. Then you could go on top like this. Like that. Little tricks of the trade. We got this one right here. Something different to do when it's snowing out. Rain delays. Okay, this should be... no. Oh, dang. There we go. Ooh, we got it. Almost there. There we go. So we got these done. These 4. Get my tray out. Give that a few seconds to... There we go. See, we got a little bam bam. Now we're going to do the next batch. A little different. Okie dokie. A little messy. But that's alright. I'm going to try green. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Don't want to do that. Be careful about the plastic. They do pop off. There we go. Make that a little bit more greener. It's all good. Got that going. Now we're going to do pink. Kind of looks like red to pink. There we go. And we'll do deep purple or grape purple. This should be good to flip. Oh yeah. These might turn out better than the other ones. Just gotta... we'll do the brown. Bada boom. So those are them. It's green. That's pretty cool. Zoom in a little bit. There you go. Now let this little one settle down. Good. And now I will do 3 left. So that is that for those. Oof. A little messy, that one. Dang. There you go. It's easy to clean. That's a good thing. So we got those pretty good. There we go. You can make zombie ones for like Walking Dead nights. You could do Ghostbuster movie nights, green. Like I said, St. Patty's Day, 4th of July. All the major ones are coming up. Summertime will be here shortly. It's got to make it through winter. And you can do Valentine's Day ones. There we go. I'll make one giant one. Finish this off. There we go. Alright, this will be the blue one. Yeah. Got that one going good. We'll do navy blue on the other. There we go. And we'll switch it to black again. Alright, so these should be done. Flip. There we go. Give this one a second. And then we'll do another green. There we go. See, there's a blue. That's a pretty cool one. Dang. I gotta clean that for sure. Be a fun little cleanup job to do. Get these cooking a little bit more. Oh, these need to be cooked a little bit more. Bigger one does. So there you go. A little bit messy here, but you guys make your own with the cakes. That's what it looks like. But really cool. So check them out, YouTubers. Link will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. See you guys soon.